Select Facebook and a solution. Our proxy IP is the best in terms of security and quantity on Facebook. You can create several accounts using our proxy IP. All proxy addresses are located around the world. You are in the United States but can use a French address to access Facebook. Although you only have one computer, you can create multiple accounts by changing the network's IP address. Breakthrough Facebook has limit on the number of accounts you can create. For example, if you use a Japanese proxy IP for your advertising campaign, then Japanese audiences or viewers will see you as a Japanese business provider.